Hi, my name is Diane. In the last video, we spoke about how MedEssist works. Today, we'll talk about how to introduce MedEssist to your patients so that your pharmacy can get the most benefit from your new service. The first step in implementing MedEssist is to ensure each pharmacy team member downloads and becomes familiar with the app. A knowledgeable pharmacy team is the best way to get your patients interested in the app. The benefit of MedEssist to pharmacies is clear. Less phone calls and rush patients means less stress and interruptions to your pharmacy workflow. The entire pharmacy team benefits from the use of MedEssist and should be involved in introducing the app to patients. Since MedEssist is a healthcare tool first, it's a fantastic way to collaborate with local medical clinics and offices. Physicians and nurses appreciate how MedEssist helps patients take their medications properly and stay organized. Often, they're happy to place MedEssist posters and handouts in their waiting rooms. MedEssist is a terrific communication tool as well, since it's available in 10 languages and it uses real medication pictures. Introducing the app to your patients can take some effort, but it leads to a significant amount of time saved down the line. How you introduce MedEssist to your patients is important. Patients are much more likely to use MedEssist if it's recommended to them by a pharmacy team member. Here are 5 tips on how to introduce MedEssist to your patients. MedEssist is a healthcare tool first and foremost. It's not just a medication ordering service. It can be recommended in a variety of ways to suit the patient's needs. For example, you could say, it's important to take your medications on time each day, and it's a good idea to have your medication record with you for healthcare appointments. Can I show you a tool we have that makes that easier for you? MedEssist is trusted by patients and pharmacies across Canada. Patients are much more likely to try MedEssist if they know that it's being used by other patients at the pharmacy or being used across Canada. For example, you could say, we have many patients ordering their medications with MedEssist. Can I quickly show you how it works? MedEssist is exceptionally easy to use. It's part of what makes MedEssist stand out from any other apps. To convey this point to the patient, print some example receipts at the prescription pickup or drop-off that you can use to demo. Patients of all ages can use MedEssist. We know that some older patients may be hesitant to try new technology, but MedEssist has been designed so that anybody with a smartphone can use it. If introducing MedEssist to an older patient, you can say, MedEssist is a service designed for seniors to help you take your medications on time and to have your medication record available on your phone. Can I show you quickly how easy it is to use? MedEssist saves patients time. MedEssist is a fantastic tool for patients that are always in a rush. Recommend that those patients who are tight on time send in their orders before coming to the pharmacy. Patients who are in a hurry can often be a stressful part of pharmacy practice, and MedEssist can be the solution. Once you've introduced the app to a few patients, it's time to incorporate MedEssist onboarding into your workflow. The best way to get your entire team involved and to maximize the use of MedEssist is to make it a regular part of your routine, just like asking a patient if they have any allergies. There are 3 contact points where patients can be introduced to the app: at drop-off, counseling, or at pickup.
Hi, could I fill this prescription?
Yeah, for sure. It'll be about 15 to 20 minutes. Next time you could submit it through the MedEssist app and it'll be ready before you get here. Would you like me to show you how it works while you wait for your order?
Thanks for explaining everything to me.
No problem, it's my pleasure. I also really like to recommend the MedEssist app to all of my patients. It's an app that's created by pharmacists and it can help you keep track of your medication doses. There's images, videos, information that can help remind you of what we spoke about today. Did you want some help getting it set up?
Hi, I'm here to pick up my refill.
Yeah, for sure. I have it right here. Did you want to ask the pharmacist any questions, or did you want some help adding it to the MedEssist app? We hope that this video has given you more confidence in using MedEssist at your pharmacy. Introducing the app to your patients can take a few minutes, and we know a few minutes can seem like a lot to ask for in a busy pharmacy environment. We're confident you'll agree that this is a worthy investment that will save you a tremendous amount of time and stress in the future. By being a part of the MedEssist community, you're ensuring that your patients have access to the healthcare tools that we're constantly developing and improving. Thank you for supporting our shared vision of improving the health of patients by empowering them with technology.